Meaning of financially.
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 Financially. The term financially refers to matters concerning money or financial resources, such as income, expenses, investments, debts, and assets. It is an adverb used to describe the financial aspect of a situation or action. For example, someone may be financially stable, financially struggling, or financially responsible. It can also refer to the performance or condition of an individual or organization's finances. In this context, the term financially implies the ability to effectively manage one's financial resources to achieve financial goals or stability.